In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix Ethernet not having internet access. If your Ethernet shows that it's connected but there's no internet, this video is for you. Simply head to your search bar. Search for run. Type in a command called npa.cpl. Then click on OK. Right-click on Ethernet. You will then select on Properties. On this mini page, select on this option of Internet Protocol version 4. Then click right here on Properties. Mark on this option of Use the following DNS server address. On the first box, type in 8, then get down to the next box. Type in 4. Once done, click on OK. Make sure to restart your computer. The Ethernet icon will get visible and your internet connection will get enabled successfully. If it's not your case, ensure the Ethernet cable is securely connected to both your computer and the router modem. If none of these steps resolve the issue, there may be a hardware problem with your computer's Ethernet port or the router modem, and you may need to seek professional assistance. That's how easy it is to fix Ethernet not working on Windows 11 or 10. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.